Hello everybody, Namaste. I am Ankit Suklecha and I am from India. I am in the fitness industry from last 12 years and I am the master trainer with Skill India and IHFA. Also, I completed my SNS and PNE Level-1 from GPNi, and I will really recommend doing ISSN courses from GPNi because number one, they have the best teachers available. All the teachers are PhDs and the best in the field of sports nutrition. Second, the support system that GPNI has, they provide you with all the study material and all the video lectures that the live classes they are converted into video lecture, and you can watch them also later when you're making notes or when you're having any doubts. You can ask them, email them, and definitely you'll get the reply from the teachers there. Also, the precise things about sports nutrition they teach you is really amazing. Okay, I've been looking for a course in sports nutrition from a long time from various institutes, but I chose GPNI because I found it to be worth, and I really recommend that you do it from GPNI. Thank you so much.